Villagers of 40 villages under Borjan KCS zone clean zonal festival venue. Villagers of 4 villages request Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM to construct road. Police recovers heroin from a truck in Khatkhati. The Hentaghat Model English LP School distribute rice and groceries to its students. Drongo Scooter Club members ride to Manduli Lake. Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates. Dongthewang Nepali Village, Manaiterang Village, Jerop Ingti Village, and Langtuk Rongpi Village are villages in Manja, which falls under Lumbajong MSC constituency. One has to cross Hidimteron village near Manja Market to get these villages. The 2-kilometer stretch of road connecting Hidimteron and Jerop Ingti village is in a poor conditions, which has also caused severe inconveniences to the villagers of Dongthewang Nepali Village, Manaiterang Village, and Langtuk Rongpi Village. The road was constructed in 2015-16 under MGNREGA, but poor executions of the work has resulted in early damage of the road that has been posing severe problems for the villagers, especially during monsoon, when it is difficult to even walk on foot. Villagers have complained that poor conditions of the road has disabled them from using ambulance services in times of medical emergencies. Students have also complained of not being able to go to classes during monsoon. Now, the villagers through the media have especially requested Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Tuliram Ronghang to construct the road at the earliest for the inconvenience of the villagers. Rajesh Hanse from Manja for 365 News India.
Rabjentan Tuliram Ronghang Apan Jehai Tawari PG MSNG Apan Tuning Rilo.
Villagers of 40 villages between Kuligao and Moiso-Kiling village, which falls under Borjan KCS zone, came together and collectively cleaned Wazaru ground, the venue of the yearly zonal Karbi Youth Festival, on Friday. The ground is identified as a permanent venue of the yearly cultural event. More than 500 people from all age groups and walk of life gathered and clear bushes and also clean the ground. Borjan KCS Zone President Jonatheron, General Secretary Jonas Singh Tokbi led the public in the cleaning drive. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Speaker Longki Timung, social activist Rup Singh Kro, KNLF Treasurer Habe Tokbi, noted artist and Pilongri art owner Diben Timung, former UPDS Munchi Parsik Teron, VDC Chairman Babu Bongrum, Gaumbura of the 40 villages, and more than 10 Sarkari Gaumburas of the area also participated in the day-long cleaning drive. Bisnu Lekte from Hanjang Langsu for 365 News India.
Hekan abang tua panil ke pacini pacinili ada pono lati nili body pon po lati moyong si mane pan ile tumda ke pacini pen dokok kita mi aku citan pen itu pacini pon punang pacinili ke cengsi ini bangso il tum ke panalong haso catai amam du ke pangthai long Karbiang long man peng kedo anparta borjana long ile tum suri long ile tum manang ke Japon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a chairman man kedo long timung akihai speaker asi pinil tum long next long dolo sila ka dok ai phanda alang liphan amen kataram pen man kipen alang litemi rada long kacipani kon seperti milihin pen alang liphan dunia lano ini cuma speaker lo organ kapen mente Karbi Anglong long anghoy kiti nai alang ni acari kono abang pulo son thak ini bang solong ili tum nang citong dun ili tum song long kami ke klempon ke patepi Karbi Anglong ria phan khai phan ili tum bang ikelang ropen laso kitum Karbi Anglong ria long kason ke jak thegi ma polang tum kidup ke lak ekdom ajo analo kangting thering kami khai phan man karapon nang citong dun ini bang somai long rat along kacipacini phan alangli UPDS Welfare Society of Secretary alangli secretary Christian ma General Secretary alangli sarsing teron lapen alangli men ke munthi lati lang jano pare men ke son thak bang rapet lapen song long klem pon rapet ada pon rapet kama thapon isipet lo si bang somai long ilutum borjana abang thulo alangli men binong ke labang ke ken elep habitogi lapen amen binong risutogi lapen ke Can you long finance secretary alang lihan lo lake arong ke rong kila ha vice chairman vice chairman alang lake dak kulikang rong adung rong thelang tapulo rong thelan na pulo la sikado kita mil tum chini ke theknong nangi polam tu pini tum dak nang kirat itu lo.
Police on receiving a tip-off on Friday intercepted an oil tanker vehicle's bearing registration number MN05C1954 near Khatkhati CRPF camp, and after a thorough search recovered a plastic packing weighing around 27 grams of heroin concealed in 2 soap cases. In these connections, a person named Rohan Kumar, aged 27 years, son of Tig Bahadur Kumar, residents of Kanglatongbi village under Sekmai police stations of Imphal district in Manipur. The operation was carried out by John Das, SDPO Bokazan along with SIUB, Maoblik Brahma, OC Khatkhati police station and other police personnel. News Desk report, 365 News India. Danthagat Model English LP School distributed rice and groceries to its students on Friday. School authorities informed that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the school was closed, but rice and groceries meant for midday meal scheme for the students have arrived throughout this month, which were stored in the residence of the school managing committee President Mongol Singh Tiso. After proper consultation, school authorities including its teacher Rajesh Kramsa and Hundar Terang distributed 5 kg rice, half-liter cooking oil, a packet of soap and salt to each and every student of the school. Jersong Terang from Samilangso for 365 News India. Drongo Scooter Club Dipu members embarked on a 3-day ride to Manduli Lake in Danthagat on Friday morning. 30 members of the club, led by its chief Bhai Rongpi, started from Poor's Main Kitchen in Rongnihang Dipu at around 11 in the morning and reached their destinations Manduli Lake in Danthagat in the evening the same day. They will be camping in the venue for 2 days before heading back to Dipu on Sunday. During their stay, they will be exploring nearby places having tourism potential and also interact with the local population in an attempt to promote peace, tourism, create awareness about the benefits of tourism. The club's theme for this year's ride is Ride to Promote Peace and Tourism. Drongo Scooter Club was formed in 2013, and every year its members ride to different places of Karbi Anglong to explore new places and also promote them. The club's destination, Manduli Lake, is a beautiful lake in Danthagat, Karbi Anglong, which is around 86 kilometers from Dipu town, the district headquarters. Deboram Kathar from Dipu for 365 News India. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.